Hey guys, in this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to apply your topper. So here's my topper. I start off opening all the clips. Then take your comb or brush and right on your part where that clip is going to go, I want you to comb some hair forward. It doesn't need to be a lot, maybe just 1 to 2 fingers. And then flip your topper behind you. We're going to start with the front clip first, and the teeth are down, and then you'll just do a little scoop and snap. Holding my hand here, then I move to the back clip once you find it and snap it. So those clips, you'll feel the teeth, and I'm just flattening out that clip and snapping it. Other side. Great, now it's all secure, it's not going anywhere. Comb or brush, and I'm gonna blend the two together. So don't be afraid to really get in there and blend them. The messier sometimes, the more natural. If it's too perfect, I mean, nobody has perfect hair, right? And there you go. Be sure to like and subscribe. It helps us out a ton, and be on the lookout for more tutorials.